All right, so we are going to go into how to find missing angles in a triangle. So the first thing we're going to go over, and I want to kind of explain this because I know some of us don't read the actual assignment, the instructions, but this will be broken up into two videos. So I'm going to post the first video and then I'll end up posting the second video on Monday because that's kind of what we're doing in class today too. So like we're doing the first half today, second half on Monday, so that y'all are staying on pretty much the same track as them. And plus it kind of helps you practice it before you go on to something different, okay? So the first thing we're going to go over is the triangle sum theorem. Okay, so the triangle sum theorem states that the sum of the angle measures of a triangle is 180, okay? So, like this first example, it says that angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equal 180. So, angle X is 61 degrees. Angle Y is 49. And then angle Z is 70 degrees. And if you physically add those all up together, you do get 180. Okay? So because all three angles of a triangle are equal to 180, the acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. So let me kind of run you through that. Okay? So if all of these angles, so if angle J plus angle K plus angle L equal 180 degrees, and angle K is 90, angle K is 90 degrees. Well, when I subtract that 90 degrees to know what angle L, and I put a 7 right here, okay? Angle L and angle J are together, I get angle J plus angle L equals 90 degrees, which does mean complementary. Complementary means 90 degrees, okay? So then that's how they found it right here. They did angle J plus angle L equals 90. They inserted this 43 right here, and then they subtracted it over. So they subtract the 43 over, and that gets us 47. All right. So example 1, angle ABC. So angle ABC, okay, is that one right there. So if you notice, angle ABC is part of a linear pair. So this one right here makes a linear pair. So that means that these two angles added together, this 84 and this angle ABC, equals 180 degrees. So in order to find what this angle is, I'm going to do 180 subtracting 84 because it's a linear pair. Okay. And you should get 96 degrees. So this angle is 96 degrees. Okay, so since this one's 96 degrees, now I'm one step closer to finding that missing angle CAB. So now I want CAB, which is this little piece right here, okay? Well, if all the angles in a triangle add up to 180, and now I know 96 and 63, I'm going to add 96 plus 63, which gets me 159 degrees. So those two angles added together equals 159 degrees. Well, in order to find what angle CAB is, I have to know, because of the triangle sum theorem, that all of those angles add up to 180. So I'm going to subtract my 159 from it. And I get 21. So CAB is 21 degrees. All right. So this is my last example I'll do, and then I'll finish the rest of those problems on Monday. Okay. All right, so we have example 2, we have triangle MNO with algebraic expressions in them. Okay, kind of just developing a consensus of what I have. So I have angles who have algebraic expressions, and I want to find x. My first step is to find x. Well, I know because of the triangle sum theorem that all of these angles added together, angle N, angle O, and angle M, equal 180. So that's exactly how I'm going to set it up. I'm going to do 9x plus 10 plus 3x minus 15 plus x plus 3 equals 180. I'm going to zoom in so I can... So then it's just algebra from here on out. We have multiple terms right here, so let's combine all the terms we know. So we have our 9x, our positive 3x, and our positive x. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13, so we have 13x. And then I have my positive 10, my negative 15, and my positive 3. Well, positive 10 plus a negative 15 gets negative 5. And negative 5 plus 3 gets us a negative 2. And set it equal to 180 degrees. Now I can draw my railroad tracks and solve for x. So I'm going to add 2. So I have 13x equals 182. And then I need to divide by 13. X should equal 14. Not degrees. Okay, so x is 14. So in order to find angle M and N and O, all you do is plug it back in. So angle M, it should be 9 times 14 plus 10. I believe that is 136, I think is what. Yeah, 136 degrees. Angle N is 3 times 14 minus 15. I get 27 degrees. And angle O equals 14 plus 3, which equals 17 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to actually show you some examples that I want you to do on your own on your notes. So it's not an actual assignment, but what I want you to do is practice that right there. And that's going to be this one right here. I'm going to put it up on Google Classroom. And I want you to actually complete, let's see, number 1 through 4, you're going to choose 2. Okay, and no, you have to do at least 5 or... So you just have to choose 1. So 1, 5, and 6. And I'm going to ask you to actually submit those. I want you to upload them, but do not submit them just yet. Okay, so I do want you to pretty much upload those or practice those. If you, I actually don't want you to upload those, but what I want you to do is actually put these in your notes. Okay, put these in your notes. So you're going to choose 2 of those, 1 through 4, and then you're going to choose 1 of the 5 and 6. Okay, to do in your notes so you have that practice under your belt. But it's up to you. I can't make you do this, but the more you practice it, the better you're going to get. Okay, I'll come back on Monday with some more information. Bye, guys.